And here to give us a preview is producer and president Brad Buckles and the owner of Princess Brides, Irene Nagapara. Thank you for coming this morning. So Brad, as the producer, this must be a huge production. How is that like?
It's like a big puzzle.
A big puzzle.
We put all the little pieces together and make a really big picture.
Ah, a big picture. And is that stressful in any way? I mean, it must be like a, wedding planner times 10.
You could say that, sure. We've done a lot of bridal shows, so I think we've done something to the tune of 200 shows.
200 shows.
Yeah, so this is, we're in very safe water.
And Irene, can you kind of give us a taste of what people can expect at the Expo?
Marissa has on a basque waist, modified A-line dress in taffeta.
Beautiful.
Kathleen is now wearing an all silk. This is also a modified mermaid. It's slightly A-line on the skirt, so it's easier to walk and sit. Kelly has on lace over organza. The lace vintage look is pretty.
This year. Why is that?
Just going back to the old days.
Anything different about this Expo compared to the ones in years past? I know this is what, 21 years in the making?
This particular year, the shapes it accentuates the women's figures. The looks are all like this.
All of them are like that, which is
Smaller skirts, very fitted through the hips.
fitted through the hips, so everyone would have probably have to go
Everyone has a
through.
shape,
Yeah.
and then it very forgiving.
Oh, okay. And how many and how many people are you expecting at the Expo?
Oh, we'll probably have 4,000 to 5,000 people come
Wow,
along. Yeah.
that's a lot.
A lot of brides want to find out at the show what to expect. It's a great opportunity to save time and save money, save gas, to a place where you can do it all in one day. And if you can't, you can come back the next day. Our show is a 3-day show, so it's a lot of fun. A lot of the brides come and say, like, I had no idea. Oh my gosh, And it's fun. I mean, I would say probably of all the events that we do, this particular show is the funnest of all the shows.
This one, and why is that?
I think during the summer, a lot of people don't feel the pressure as much. It's nice outside. People are feeling a little excited about their wedding and all the dreams coming true.
Yes.
And so they come Friday night all excited. And, you can't mess with the bride and her dreams. You just have to stand out of the way and let her have them.
Absolutely. Thank you both, and thank you for joining us this morning. And the Hawaii Bridal Expo is Friday through Sunday at the Neil Blaisdell Center. The hours are Friday evening from 5:30 to 10, Saturday from 10:30 to 5, and Sunday from 10:30 to 4. Tickets are just $7, and you can find more information on our website at today.khnl.com. Thank you. I'm sorry we didn't have like a